Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your TCL Linkhub that cannot access the web UI at 192.168.1.1. So as you guys can see, I've got the browser here ready with 192.168.1.1. And whenever I reset or just restart, as you guys can see, all I can do is just play the dinosaur. So what you guys want to do here is basically first go over and open a new tab. And once you open a new tab, you want to make sure that your router has the connection that it has to have. So this is very important that you plug every cable in. So as you guys can see, I'm talking about the Ethernet cable, or basically a Wi-Fi cable. Now here I got the power, I got the Ethernet, and my Ethernet is plugged into the PC. So what you guys want to do after this is simply type in 192.168.1.1. As you guys can see, all of that works, and we can just enter the password, go over to the homepage like nothing happened. But if it's still not working for you, then what you guys want to do is simply go over and factory reset the router. So you can easily do that by just rotating it. So I'm gonna unplug the cable for now. So the Ethernet cable, we're gonna get rid of it. I will only keep the power cable in. Let's rotate our router like this and open the a backbone of it. Here we have our SIM card. Here we have the reset dot. We're gonna press and hold our little stick in. This is the SIM tray opener, and we're gonna hold it for around 8 seconds. So now we're gonna keep on holding it. I always keep it a little bit longer because I want to make sure that I actually reset it. Now we can just let go, and we're gonna close it in the meantime. As you guys can see, once it's closed, we can just place it back. There's no other dots than power. So what you want to do now is we want to go over and just connect our Ethernet cable again. So let's go over, let's plug it in, and now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go back into our browser. So as you guys can see, here we have our browser. It works just fine, and here basically we can restart, and as you guys can see, we will have to wait until the internet comes back. So those are the two methods. Now if it's not working, you can try it again in another window. As you guys can see, it is trying to work, so I'll see you guys once it works. As you guys can see, it finally loaded. We got everything. We can just go over, enter our password, and log in. So both of the methods work. This is how you guys can fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.